Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a customer persona with SurveyMonkey. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by accessing SurveyMonkey's website. Log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, select Create Survey from the dashboard. Choose a blank survey or use one of the templates suited for customer research. To build a customer persona, start by identifying the demographic information you want to collect. Include questions that gather age, gender, location, and income level. Next, focus on collecting psychographic data. Ask about interests, values, and lifestyle choices. Incorporate questions about customer behaviors. These can include purchasing habits, product preferences, and brand loyalty. Make sure to include open-ended questions to gather qualitative insights. This can provide deeper context about your customers' motivations. Once your questions are ready, preview your survey to ensure clarity and flow. Adjust any questions as necessary based on your preview. After finalizing your survey, select how you want to distribute it. You can share via email, social media, or embed it on your website. Collect responses over a specific period to ensure ample data. Once you have enough responses, return to your SurveyMonkey dashboard. Navigate to the Analyze Results section. Review the data in the summary charts and tables provided. Use filtering options to segment responses based on different demographics. Look for patterns that indicate common characteristics among your respondents. Identify key traits that will make up your customer persona. Create a detailed profile summarizing these traits. Include both demographic and psychographic information in this profile. Use this persona to inform your marketing strategies and product development. You can revisit and refine your persona as you gather more data in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.